Hello, greetings, this is Gilles Mention. I thought I'd come and say hello, make an English video as well. I wanted to come and say that we're preparing ourselves for this great portal, the 1111 Gateway. It's a collective portal. It is a monumental change that will affect all those who are ready. Everybody will be affected, but our conscious participation in this ascension will enhance our ability to utilize this portal. For there are archangels that are standing at the gates. There are many archangels, but there are four. There are Michael, there's Gabriel, there's Raphael, and Uriel that are standing with their own frequency to assist with our ascension, our pillar of light on this 1111. At 1111 in the morning, we'll be able to ascend our consciousness to a new level. Of course, we do not know what will happen, but we have to trust and allow ourselves to leave this world in order to connect with this higher energy. This will trigger deep change, and inside the body it may create very agitation in the body. We may feel agitated by this process, so do not worry. The point is to deactivate the fear center within the brain, the drama of the reptilian brain, in order to balance out both hemispheres of the brain, to activate the cerebellum eventually, the third brain, the spiritual brain. Also wanted to say that prayer and meditations are very essential. We may be just one prayer away from finding this point of freedom that we are looking. And 1111, we got to make a ceremony to ask the universe, to prepare what we're asking the universe, to free ourselves, to connect to the higher planes. For 1111, there's always been a grounding time. The idea is to ground this divine energy into the earth, and it's okay to ask for miracles at this time. For every time you see 1111, take a minute to connect to that energy. It's a sign that is sent to us. For we're going to be activating a 12th chakra. We have those 7 major chakra, but we're going to be connecting to 12 chakra with 2 on the root that will solidify our root, our base, and then 3 on the top that will be activated. We are getting this expansion of our light body. And we do want to control our impulse and energy direction. We want to be one with our soul, our monad, and to become the avatar body that's united with the soul and the monad, to become one with a higher aspect. I'm going to pull a few cards to see what the highest wisdom for us today is. Clairvoyance. What we need to understand is energy, to see how energy flows, and to understand we are energy. We come from energy. What we need to do is revelation. It is okay to reveal and find this, to open our mind to have new revelation coming to us, and the outcome is love. So there will be great opening to new octaves of love, new aspects, new sharing of love. For every thought, every word, and every action we take is assist in ascending or descending, depending on the frequency of what we do. So it is important to control our energy and to be abandoned in the process, to rest in the hands of God, to rest in the light of truth. So the more we trust, the faster we're going to be going. For this 1111 portal will give us access to more free will, more creative potential. But that means more responsibility in what we do with this power. For sometimes I have desires and spirits, but sometimes I have to check with spirit if it's authorized for me within the moment. And sometimes that's why I ask spirit when in doubt. It's like, for I have this mean that created this open channel to my higher self, so I can communicate. And sometimes I receive an instantaneous answer, but sometimes it's like I have to wait till before I go to sleep. Sometimes the answers come to me. It's like right before I go to sleep, when I'm in total state of non-resistance and relaxation. So pay attention to those moments. We do want to choose a timeline, the highest timeline, and stay in alignment with it as much as possible. And I feel my own personal path is already set. My destiny is already to be manifested. For once you make the choice of eternal life, to believe in eternal life, to believe in your eternal soul, to choose the highest good of all, to do the will of God, then the highest choice has been made. It is just about aligning with that and staying in touch with that, and choose the most glorious timeline for everyone. Do not fall prey to the catastrophe scenarios of the dark or the shadows and so So we're going to be able to move upward. It's going to be very powerful, very potent. I hope you enjoy this time. You prepare yourself for it, and you allow yourself to free yourself when the time comes. So you can already enjoy it every morning, every night at 11:11. But you will, if you attune to that frequency, you will see this great portal, and you can connect to the archangels that are standing at the gate. I'm gonna launch myself into a song. I just sang it in the French video, but I haven't rehearsed it. It's a difficult song without music. But the painting behind me is a very Zen painting. It's very abstract. It's just a minimalist painting, but I kind of like it. I'm going to sign it. It's not signed. And behind me is a scene. It's a scene with like three graces with this person, with like the ego and the soul. It says paradise, and it says one up there with the sign of Fortuna, and there is the Eye of Horus, the symbol of Chiron, the symbol of Zeus. The painting is surrounded by a DNA. There's those three paintings. There's a lot of dynamism in this painting. I will frame it soon, and I'm going to pull one more card with the Archangel. I'm going to sing this song. It's called Changes. It goes like this. Still don't know what I was waiting for, and my time is running while a million dead-end streets, and every time I thought I got it made, it seemed the taste was not so sweet. So I turned myself to face me, but I've never caught a glimpse how the other must see the fake. How much too fast to take that test? Turn a face a strange, change ahead. Don't wanna be a richer man. Turn a face a strange, change ahead. There's gotta be a different man. Time may change me, but I can't trace time. I watch the ripple change the sides, but never leave the stream of impermanence and warmth. And so the day floats through my eyes, but still the day seems the same. And these children that you spit on, as they try to change their world, are immune to your consultation. They're quite aware what they're going through. Turn a face a strange, change ahead. Don't tell them to grow out of it. Turn a face a strange, change ahead. Where's the shame you set up your neck in it? Time may change me, but I can't trace time. Strange fascination fascinate me. Our changes are taking the pace I'm going through. Change and a face a strange, change ahead. Oh look, you rock and roller. Change and a face a strange, change. Pretty soon you're gonna get older. Time may change me, but I can't trace time. I say that time may change me, but I can't trace time. Thank you very much for liking, sharing, commenting, subscribing. For time is a constant. Time does never change, but everything and everyone change through time. And the time is like what separates people and event and things. So it is eventually we'll become master of time. In the sixth dimension, we become master of time. So it is we want to already determine to choose the most glorious timeline and align with it. So I'm going to pull one more card. The bottom card is the Three of Raphael. You have so many reasons to celebrate. Community of friends. Good news in relationship to a relationship or children. So it's very much a card of intimacy and celebration. And the upper card is the Knight of Gabriel. Sure of himself, enthusiastic, courageous, charismatic. It is time to act. You are passionate by a cause. You instinctively know what to do. So follow your heart. Be sure of yourself, and all you will go well. And prepare yourself for this monumental happening that will happen in a few days already. To already prepare this ascension and to get ready for this collective happening. I thank you very much. Wish you a wonderful day. Namaste.